Hey, this is John, and today I want to talk about how to make YouTube videos without showing your face. And I'm going to show you how to do it completely free. YouTube itself is free. You have a channel automatically when you have a YouTube account. So the first thing you're going to want to do is choose what niche you want for your channel. For this example that I'm going to show you in this video, we're going to do a health and fitness niche channel. So choose your channel, and then there's lots of different ways that you can make videos. I'm sorry, for free without showing your face on YouTube. What I'm doing right now is called the screen recording. I'm just using a software called Screencast-O-Matic, and that allows me to record the screen. Now you don't have to have the little video down here that shows me. That you can take that away, and so you can just do a screen recording. Maybe show how to do something. So that's one option. But I'm going to show you how to use PLR, private label rights content, to make videos without showing your face, very high quality videos that you can then upload to your YouTube channel to get free traffic. And the whole goal here is to get free traffic that you are promoting an affiliate offer for, and therefore you can make an affiliate commission after somebody watches your video and clicks on your affiliate link. So we're going to be working in the health and fitness niche for this example, and you need to find a product. There's lots of different affiliate platforms out there. I would highly encourage you, if you don't have a ClickBank account, to go get one. It's free to sign up, and the beautiful thing about ClickBank is in their marketplace, they cover a lot of different niches. So everything from health and fitness, all aspects of health and fitness, supplements, weight loss, abs, muscle building, all kinds, dental, vision, brain health, all kinds of health, everything in health and fitness. They do a lot of different, make money online, different softwares. They do financial things, green products, survival prepper type, all kinds of different niches. And the really good thing about ClickBank is that you're going to be automatically approved for almost anything, okay? Now, you can obviously sell your own product on there as well as be an affiliate, but it's free to join, so just sign up. And then again, find your product, go into the marketplace. You can search by keyword, find the product, create your link, and save your link. But ClickBank would be a great place to get a product. Let's go to where I get my content. I get my content from this PLR membership site called bigproductstore.com. PLR stands for private label rights, and that's where you can buy something that somebody else has created, and you can use it as your own. So that's typically the license. Sometimes there's even extended licenses that you can get. I like bigproductstore.com for several reasons. They have over 10,000 PLR products. They've been doing this since 2012, so it says more than 7 years, actually more than 10 years now. You get unlimited access and downloads. They do have, some free products. So again, you can go here and get things for free. Now they do have a membership version also, and so let's just jump down so you can see what that is. They have a monthly option, $20 a month, unlimited access and downloads, or a one-time lifetime membership of $98.50. This is the option I went with, only because if you're paying $20 a month, after 5 months you've hit this. So I think the better deal is here, but obviously choose what you want. Certainly start with a free account. Why not, right? That's what I would recommend. Let me go ahead and log in to my account, and just a quick overview. Big Product Store, they have products in lots of different types, right? You can get audio products, WordPress plugins, WordPress themes, article packs. You can actually get websites that are done, ebooks, which is mostly what I use. You can get video products. You can create your own video course if you want. We're going to, and if you, let's say, browse all products, I'll just show you real quick. They are uploading new stuff pretty much every day. So today is January 18th, so they uploaded this today. They uploaded a couple yesterday, the 17th. Here's some on the 16th, the 15th, the 15th, the 14th. So you can see they're just adding all the time, constantly adding new products. over 10,000 to choose from. And you can see these are all kinds of different niches as well, right? So domain name marketing obviously is make money online, conquering fear, the self-help. Here's business, financial, more business, financial, health related, again, financial, social media influencer, social media free Facebook traffic, and self-help or personal development in this one. And that's what I'm going to do. We're going to for this example, we're doing health and fitness. Well, actually, we're going to do self-help, personal development, and we're going to download this product called It's Okay to Say No, 5 Things to Say No To so that you can take back control of your life. And so it'll give you a little description about what's in it, and then when you're ready, you just click download. Now, once you download this, I've already downloaded it, you can see it is actually going to give you quite a bit. This one comes with quite a bit of things besides the ebook itself. Now, some of these products will come with, just the ebook, and that's fine. But some will actually come with, like this one does, opt-in pages so you can build your email list. They have an audio version, they have the graphics, etc. We just want, this is for this example, the report. So I opened up the PDF, and what you can see, so here's the cover of the ebook, and then you can go through and you can see, very nicely laid out and written. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this text content in the report and we're going to convert it into a high quality video that we can upload to YouTube, because we want to take advantage of all that free traffic on YouTube to make affiliate sales and also possibly make some AdSense from people watching our videos once our channel gets monetized. And so in this example, I'm just, what you would want to do is take some of this text and we're going to convert that into a video. Now there's a software I use to make my videos called Pictory. Let me go to their homepage. Pictory is great because it lets you take text and convert it into videos. Now, they do have a free option. You can do a free trial. It allows you to make 3 videos per month. So that is not bad, up to 10 minutes. And then they have pricing, right? And if you pay for Pictory in advance, the monthly cost, if you pay for a year in advance, you save 35%. So it's basically $20 a month, or if you go premium, $40 a month, or if you just do the month to month, $30 and $60. Not bad pricing, to be honest, for what this software does, which we're going to see in just a minute. And you can see again kind of the difference. The free trial, 3 videos a month, standard, unlimited videos a month. So you can make 2-3 videos a week and upload them. Same thing with premium. Here's one of the main differences: how long. Now, the standard, most YouTube videos are less than 10 minutes anyway, so standard is probably perfectly fine, okay? But let's go ahead and log in so you can see how this works. When you log into Pictory, what you're going to see is that there are 4 different types of videos you can make. The first is article to video, where you could maybe have a blog article, you put the URL in, and it'll create a video. It'll take pieces or sentences from that blog, not the entire blog, but it'll take sentences, it'll select and make a video for you. This is the one that you're going to use almost all the time for this method. We're talking about script to video, where you're going to take text from the ebook we downloaded and we're going to put it into Pictory. You can actually upload a bunch of images and it'll make a video for you. And you can also use this as an editor, so you can edit videos, add intros, outros, different effects, etc. But we're doing script to video. Okay, so if we go back, now you'd want to probably copy more than this, but I am just gonna, for the purpose of this video, just copy a little bit to show you how it works. And you just paste that in here, okay? And it's going to spell check it automatically for you. And I am going to kind of break this up. Pictory does break it up for you once you get started, but I just like to kind of break it up a little bit myself, so I just like to do it. Okay, so again, Pictory will do that for you. You can highlight anything you want to highlight. Once you have everything in here and basically the way you like it, then just hit proceed. Now you got to choose the layout, the aspect ratio. YouTube is 16:9 landscape. You can make vertical videos for, this is like what you see on Facebook, and then this is for like Instagram, okay? And when you hover over it, it does tell you what is, if you look down here at these social icons, it tells you, 16:9 is supported in these different platforms. The portrait and the platforms down below, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook, and then square is everything but YouTube. But anyway, we're going to YouTube. Now what it's going to do is it's going to take that text and then search for video clips from Storyblocks. And you don't need a separate license for Storyblocks because it's included with your Pictory membership. All right. And so now what we're going to do here is we are going to, let me just pull this over so you can see, because the main menu in the editor, so we're in the editor now for Pictory, and all our scenes are on this left hand side, and that's the story section. So the main menu is over here. We'll go through that in a second. So our story is over here, and these are the different scenes, right? So right now, scene 1 is this one. I can click on that. I'll bring up scene 2, scene 3, or I can click, let me get myself out of the way here, or we can click down below to transition to the scenes as well. Okay, so you can do that over here, or you can do that down here. So let's say the next thing you can do is you can adjust the visual. So let's say, for this scene, maybe for whatever reason you don't like this video that they're using, and so you can go over here and search, and maybe you say, try to find a video based on, what the description is. So let's say teenagers, okay, so this, is maybe a good example, and so it'll put it in there instead, okay. Now, each scene, you can delete the scene, you can preview it, you can trim it, you can add a voiceover to just this scene, you can hide the text, loop it, so you can edit each scene individually if you choose to. You don't really need to, so you can go through and edit each scene. It doesn't take very long at all. And then for audio, you can choose to have background music, so you can, preview it to see what it sounds like, hit apply. If you want to apply it to the video, make it a favorite if you want. You can do a voiceover. They do have some AI voices, which are not bad at all. So again, you can preview it. You can speed it up or slow it down to make it sound a little better. Just keep in mind, if you're trying to get approved for AdSense on your YouTube channel, then you really shouldn't use the AI voices. YouTube frowns on that. They like a natural voice. And so you can upload your own voiceover. I use the free software Audacity to just do my own voiceovers, or you can pay people on Fiverr if you don't want to do your own voiceover. Or if you don't care about doing AdSense and you just want to make affiliate commissions, because to be honest, you'll make a lot more money from affiliate commissions with these YouTube videos than you will through AdSense. A lot more, probably 10 to 1, 20 to 1 ratio. Then just use an AI voice, right? Who cares? Don't worry about it. So apply the voice. You can change the style, the way the videos look. They have lots of different styles to choose from. And then you can change the format if you choose to. And then once you're done, you just hit generate, and then it'll create the video in an MP4 file for you to download, and then you just go back to your YouTube channel and you upload your video to your YouTube channel. And what you're going to do is add your affiliate links in the description box down below, right? So let's just open a video. This is just an example video. But you can see, this video is about how to make money online using this crypto cars platform. But if you go down here, you can see, right, he's got lots of different affiliate links, links to his blog. So these are, a great way to get high quality backlinks to your blog is put them up here on YouTube. But you can see lots of different links. And so that's what you would do. You'd have your self-help video, your whatever niche you're in, you'd upload your video, and then down below you'd put, for more information about how to, for more self-development help, and then maybe put a link to whatever that product is that you grabbed off ClickBank. And then when someone watches your video, they like it, they come down here, they click on it, they go to the ClickBank product, and they make a purchase, then you earn a commission in ClickBank. And that is how easy it is to make videos on YouTube without showing your face, and how to earn money from doing it. And we showed how to do it for free. Create your own free ClickBank account, find a product to promote, get some free private label rights content to make for the text content in your video. Use the free Pictory option to make that video, upload that video to your free YouTube account, and get all kinds of great traffic from YouTube and make those affiliate commissions. I hope you found this helpful. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to get new updates, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video.